So let's talk about the king of memes, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is sitting at 20 cents right now, 20.4 as you can see. And the overall situation of Dogecoin is becoming interesting because there is something that it is developing on a longer time frame. I'll show you that in a bit. And I'll talk about the short term first. Short term, if you remember, we were expecting it to go towards 20 cents. Because it went and it captured the all other targets that we had shared. I'll go and show you the previous chart that I had for Dogecoin. I'll go and search. Meanwhile, you can let me know in the comments if you are in love with Dogecoin. What do you think is going to be the price? I do remember someone shared in the comments, he said 48 cents, but other people, they were too lazy to comment. I mean, that's just sad. Anyway, if you look at Dogecoin, we had a target of 20 cents. It didn't hit at that time, and this is from Thursday, which was 10th of July. Today is 14th, so 4 days ago. We were expecting it to go up, but of course our support was at 15 cents all the way down here. So this was our support. We had a mini target at 18 cents, then 20 cents, and of course after 20 we have 24, then 26.5, which is pretty much last area for me. But of course I'm not going to challenge someone who commented 48. We never know. But that is going to be my max at the moment based on the conditions of the market that I'm looking at it. Because if you look at Bitcoin is sitting at $123,000. It's creating all-time high after all-time high, and Dogecoin is not moving, so you can understand. Anyway, at this stage right now, it is sitting at 20 cents. It has gone and hit the area of 20 cents, but we are yet to see two candles forming above the area of 20 with their bodies, and until and unless we don't see that happening, it is going to be a questionable case scenario. Right now, the good thing is that it has formed one candle above 20 cents. Over here it failed and they were too thin anyway. But this is a full body candle in action right now, trying to close above 20 cents. If we see two daily candles closing above 20 cents, I would expect it to go and hit 24. And then if it is hitting 24, 26.5 would be pretty much the next target. Anyway, now from the long-term perspective, Dogecoin has, of course, if you look at it, this is one horrible structure. It crashed all the way from there to here. But the good news is that you have one bottom. This is second bottom in action. If it goes up here to this area of 25 cents, you have one bottom, it creates another bottom. At 25 cents, you will have a neckline of this double bottom, which is a bullish structure, which can easily push you up towards this price point, which is what, 35 cents, 40 cents, and I think it will pretty much start going towards the target that someone had in mind of 48 cents. So this double bottom is promising. It is on weekly. Each candle is 1 week, so it looks exciting, promising from all perspectives. But it needs to go and hit 25 cents, and we are looking forward to 26.5 anyway. So I think that if Dogecoin goes and hits that area, it will pretty much achieve this as well. And then at that time, I think we can start getting excited for a more bullish case scenario, because deliverance on this double bottom, and it's a very clean double bottom. If you look at it, it looks like a very clean structure, or if you like boobs, then it's a very clean structure. It's not broken or abrupt or anything. So I think even from structure's perspective, it's a very clean double bottom. I think deliverance on it is going to be really promising if it goes and breaks 25, so which is far. That's why it's the long-term perspective. But from short-term, we wanted to capture 20 cents, live above that more than 2 days. If it does, then we go and hit 24 and then 26.5, and that's everything with Dogecoin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? it's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.